Hello from Slovenia. Today I am testing some mixture of different pouring medium, and I just don't know if this will work. Because I tried this pouring medium that I bought, not pouring medium, it's acrylic binder. I was in Austria on Saturday and I bought some acrylic binder and I tried to use it yesterday and I just wasn't happy with it. So today I couldn't do absolutely nothing, so I can't show you my results because it was just nothing. I was so disappointed. So today I mix it with my acrylic primer that I always use for my dips, and I hope that my magic primer will do the thing and that this will work today. I really hope, but we will see. I will use some Arteza metallic paints today too. So I have cerulean blue, and I will start with this one. It's such a different consistency that I just can't get it right. I don't know. I hope that my primer will help, or I throw away. It's pretty about 45 euros. And this is metallic pearl sky blue from Arteza. I forget to bring the purple flower with Arteza metallics to show you how beautifully they dry. They are really beautiful. I will show it to you next time. And I have some alizarian crimson. I'm not in my kitchen, so you can't hear my clock. For those of you who were complaining about my clock, it's gone. It's in the kitchen and I am in my garage. This is strawberry red, pearl strawberry red, of course. And I will add a little of gold in the middle. And these are my dogs eating dinner. And this is green gold. Just didn't want to drip here. And this green is self-mixed with some bright green and some yellow ochre and some Indian yellow. And I think that I added too much here, so I will do this. I will reuse one of my canvases. I painted with white, just in coat as usual. And I hope that today my primer will do a magic, because I really want to get some nice result, because I was so disappointed yesterday, because I thought that I will get some nice results with this primer, not primer, binder. I will show it to you next time. Today I just want to see if this will work better, and I think that it is much better than yesterday when I used only this binder, because all my paints were just mixing together, and I really couldn't get nothing, almost nothing, and I was just, what is this? So weird. I just have to put some paint. I don't know if I choose the right color, because this raspberry red, no, strawberry red, I think that don't belong here, but Definitely much more flour that I like than yesterday with just this binder. I will torch this a little bit. My torch just don't want to cooperate today. I should have left this strawberry red out, I think, because it just take over this crimson, or it's gold spread to it. I don't know, but I kind of like this result anyway. Yay! Better! I will take you for a close-up. Just a second. You see this, maybe it's even gold that I don't like, or this red, strawberry red. I think it's strawberry red that I don't like, but I like kind of like this flower. I don't know. I will do one more, but I will not use this strawberry. So I will show you my mixture, my pouring medium tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on the next video that I will do. And yay, I'm so happy. Have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye.